And then sends a ray of the electric light, sends the impulse through the air, down the hole. Like you see in the asphalt stalks, push out dead air from the parking garage, where you stand with the keys and you cool out of silence, where you grip her love like a driver's license. I see you fire up the gas in the engine valve. Punch it, I got it fed, I got too much space on bounce, and I gotta burn them up. Burn them up now, I got to go uptown, uptown. I gotta think, I got a little bit push, gotta stand on the corner and better for mush. I got a bomb, I got a baby bomb, gotta stand on the corner and bellow for my friend's song. Gotta think, I gotta think, I gotta think. See, I gotta run my side true dream. To the pop veneer, shining like a new mid-quarter, shining on. Well, I dream that she aims to be the bloom upon my misery. I dream that she aims to be the bloom. I got to learn to drop myself sleepless. I got to learn to drop myself sleepless. Drop myself sleepless, I got the word to drop myself sleepless. And I said, little sister, don't you do what your big sister does. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Dancing like a madman when you're gone. And I was with the blue flame, I know my thoughts against the wall. And I will hear your name called out from a boombox. I will hear your name called out from passing hall. Babylon, mystery, mother of harlots. All these abominations of the earth. Yup. White girl, Margaret Van Ness, used to drag, discombobulated, hair all soft around, hear the man singing. Inclines and wires, Telegraph Avenue, drops here by the hand of the astronaut, the builder of the pyramids, the man from outer space, innocent farm girl raised by the aliens, out in Northridge, out in the larger world. Look away, she's eastbound out of sight. Look away, she's eastbound out of sight. Look away, she's eastbound out of sight. Look away, she's eastbound. The door shut up. Once it's in the can, the door shut out. Or before it's banned. Like an eyeball, or like a square cut, or like a funny car, or like a monster truck. Color popping on mountain stomach, cocoa mama, chop something plumbing, cut on top. I ain't the shot the guy. Blue line down. Blue line down. Born to be a godmom salesman, working the skinny tie. To the ladder, to the ground, devil that's how it pulled up shut. Spoon to the ladder, to the ladder, to the ground, devil that's how it run. Spoon to the ladder, to the ladder, to the ground, spoon to the ladder, to the ladder, to the ground, spoon to the ladder, to the ladder, to the ground, yeah. gonna meet you at the station. Oh, he's like milk to you, half Swedish and half Asian. St. Louis is listening. Let me get up on it. 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 Thank you. Zoom zip, and I wake up. Zoom zip. Zoom zip, and I wake up. Zoom zip. My eye like a noise gate, the number it was visible to the floor, fruit to the root, to the core of a spheroid embedded in my skull. Around zero, the symbol and null and void, and will toyed with the concept of vitamin B12. The synapse, it feeds itself on a nutrient. Confusing. I eat up a decade like a flame. You turn on the century. You turn it up, clock seconds through the hour, go and catch the millennium. It comes like a migraine, soothe the brain in the time it remaining, but a melancholy nonsense. And I crack now, motherfuck the verb tense. Zoom zip, and I wake up. Zoom. Recombination and Viacom Safeway. Recombination and Viacom Safeway. Recombination and Viacom Safeway. Recombination. Recombination and Viacom Safeway. Recombination and Viacom Safeway. safe way. Recombination, never you come safe way. Recombination, recombination. Recombination, never you come safe way. Recombination, never you come safe way. Recombination, never you come safe way. Recombination, recombination. Zoom, zip. Zoom, zip. Last song.
Then what?
Then I introduce the band again.
Okay.
And then, thank you.
Then I say, hey everybody, thank you so much for coming out tonight. This is gonna be our last song.
No, but it's a fake. It's a fake.
Then we play the fake last song.
Ah.
Then I say, thank you, good night.
No, but you don't mean it.
And we briefly pretend the show is over.
No, you don't.
Gonna get a
It's a
witness.
And
fake.
then moments later,
But you don't mean
we
it.
will turn around with looks of tremendous surprise upon our faces
Yes, yes, yes.
and play two more songs. So this is the song before the fake last song.
But they're not gonna mean it. They don't mean it.
Waiting in the language, swinging the rooms, I felt the fire. When the wind set down and the phone called and paused away. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around in I can get everything. Slipping to the bar, go driving to the far star. I don't need to ride in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles. I don't need to. I would like to introduce the band once again.
But you don't mean it.
The person playing the bass is Sebastian Steinberg. The person playing the keyboard sampler is Mark Deliantoni. The person playing the drums is Yuval Gabai. The person playing the Mike Doty is Mike Doty. Thank you guys very much for coming out tonight. This is gonna be our last song. Exits to freeways twisted like knots on the finger. Jewels cleaving skin between breasts. says women were a curse. So men built Paramount Studios. And men built Columbia Studios. And men built 5 AM. And you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 AM. And you are listening to Los Angeles. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there. And the radio man says rock and roll lives. And the radio man says it is a beautiful night out there in Los Angeles. You live in Los Angeles and you're going to Reseda. We are all in some way or another going to Reseda someday to die. And the radio man laughs because the radio man fucks a Model 2. Gone savage for teenagers with automatic weapons and boundless love. Gone savage for teenagers who are aesthetically pleasing, in other words, fly. Los Angeles beckons the teenagers to come to her on buses. Los Angeles loves. And you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 AM. And you are listening to Los Angeles. To build a screenplay about lovers who murder each other. I'm going to Los Angeles to see my own name on a screen 5 feet long and luminous. As the radio man says, it is 5 AM and the sun has charred the other side of the world and come back to us and painted the smoke over our heads in imperial violet. It is 5 AM and you are listening to Los Angeles. It is 5 AM and you are listening to Los Angeles. You are listening. Listening. You are 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 listening to Los Angeles. Thank you. Good night. Man drives the plane into the Christ of the plane.
Never happened. Never happened.
Man drives the plane into the Christ of the plane. Saskatoon's in the room. Memphis is in the room. DC is in the room. Phnom Penh is in the room. It's not Chicago.
What?
It's plane into the Christ of thousands. And now Christ. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Super fashion must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change the song. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Perfection must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change the song. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Ship chance will draw you into here. Super perfection must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change the song. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Super bomb bomb. Perfection must cut clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change the song. Super bomb bomb. 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 Super bomb 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 bomb. Let the man go. Let the man go. Move up side and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man